Hello everybody, here is how you make any type of gun in Minecraft. This could be a pistol, something like an AK, a minigun, whatever you want. It's pretty simple, okay? And this is extremely customizable as well. This is in pure vanilla, no data packs, no resource packs, no mods. Just these two command blocks in my hand. Here's how you do it. So, starting off, you need to have a trigger method and an item. Here's what I mean by that. So, the gun that I will show you how to make is going to be triggered when you're holding an item and doing something. So my item will be a wooden hoe. You could use a clock, leather boots, stone, whatever you want, okay? I'm going to be using a wooden hoe for this example, and my trigger method will be when sneaking. So you have to sneak to activate the weapon. And once you have that, you are able to start your first command block. This is going to be a repeat, always active command, no tick delay yet. This will change later though. And this command is going to look like this: /execute as @e has item equal, then you do curly bracket item equal, then this is where you put in your item. I'm doing wooden hoe. Then we need to say if you're holding it, so that would be location is slot dot weapon dot weapon dot main hand. So this says if you're holding it, and then we would say at s, just like that, okay? But you may notice that there is an error. That's because now we have to go and put in the sneaking. So to go and detect sneaking, you do positioned toady 1.6 toady. Then you say unless entity at s dx equals 0. So just like that. And to go and test if this works, we can just say hi. So if this works, it should say hi. Yay! As you can see, when I'm sneaking normally, nothing happens. When I hold it, nothing happens. When I'm sneaking and holding it, it says hi. So now that we have this, we're just going to be leaving this be, except for this one small thing you have to do, which is a run, summon, boat. Then you just do toady, just like that. So this is going to be your final command. If you want to use a different item, then you would change wooden hoe to your item. And this should be the command. So now what this says is when we sneak and hold it, it summons a bunch of boats. But as you can see, the boats are kind of on top of us, and it's extremely messy. I'm not going to kill them. So what you're going to want to do is set a value right here. So toady, tilde, and this just needs to be very high up. I recommend 80, because that way you can't really see the boats. But really, any big number here works. So I'm going to do 80. So now the boats get summoned in the sky. Whee! Boats. And these boats are going to act as our projectiles. You just have to bear with me on this one. So now that we have this, we need a command block on top of it, both of them facing the same direction. This is going to be chain, always active, unconditional. And you want to go and copy this command. So this entire command, I can't prove to you that I copied it, but copy that, put it up here, and delete everything up to run, just like this, so that we're left with this core. Now from here, we're going to say run tag @e type equals boat, tag equals dy equals, say 81, add, and for this, I'm just going to do gun B. You can make this tag whatever you want, just make sure it's consistent. So I'm going to just do gun B for mine, just like that. What this will do is it will give the boats a tag, or a tag is like a name tag, but invisible, really useful for command blocks. So, you can see, currently it's just saying no targets match selector because there's no boats yet. If we do summon in some boats, just like this, and we type in /kill @e tag equals gun B, then you'll notice that all the boats got killed because all of them have the tag. Now that we've done this, we need to go and do a few more smaller things, okay? So one of them is the movement, okay? So this is /execute as @e tag equals gun B at s run tp at s, and you would say caret 0.9, just like this. This just tells the boat to go forwards. We also have to add particles, so that would be /execute as @e tag equals boat, tag equals gun B at s run particle. This is just whatever particle you want. I don't know many off the top of my head, so I'm just gonna do bleach. Just like that. But if we do this, then the particles are gonna spawn on the boat. And what we actually want to happen is to spawn them 80 blocks below the boat. So that way it looks like you're actually shooting something. I think I got the particle wrong. Nope, I just didn't turn on the command blocks. That's my bad. Make sure to turn all them on. Whoa. So now as you can see, we're kind of shooting some particle beams. Just like that. Moving forwards. In reality, we're just shooting some boats up high, and the particle beams follow the boats. Now we have to go and do something that prevents lag. Okay, what this is going to be killing the boats when they're too far away. So for this, we will say, make another repeat needs always active command block. It says /kill @e type equals boat. Actually, sorry, it's /execute as @e type is boat. Tag is gun B @s unless entity @e type equals player. R equals, let's say, I think 50 is good. Then run kill @s. This will just kill the boat, unless if they're too far away from any player. So that way you don't have like 500 boats just sort of flying around. They will eventually kill themselves and stop spam. Okay, now so from here we have to go and add damage, and we're basically done. So this is /execute as @e tag equals gun B @s run. Oh, sorry, positioned. This will just change the position of the boat. So we want to say 81 blocks down. I don't know why it's 81 and not 80, but you just sort of have to roll with it. Then you do run damage @e, then just R equals 1. If you want this to have a bigger radius, like a shotgun, you would make this maybe 2. If you want it to be smaller for some reason, you can make it less. 1 is the best number though. If the thing actually hits it with no extra radius around it, then we can just set the damage. You could do 100 to one shot. You could do 6, really whatever number you want. I'm just gonna be using 5. Make sure to turn these on, just like that. I'm gonna just make sure there aren't any errors in it. Oh, there is. So at the kill command, apparently. Oh, I misspelled entity. That's why. There you go. Make sure this is spelled correctly. And now with all this, we are able to shoot gun. Oh, I think I need to make this if as well. My mistake. So as the gun B. Oh, that's a problem. Okay. Make sure in the one that kills the boat, if it's too far away, do positioned tilde minus 80 tilde. Now it works fine. Okay. There we go. Now you have your gun type thing. I would recommend using different particles. These are just the ones I had in mind. And now you, if we summon in Golem, let's say, as you can see, it's dealing damage to the Iron Golem. Just like that. It's getting hurt. It took damage. We can also go and lower the attack speed if you want, by going to the very first command block you made, just like this. You can make this bigger, so 5 tick delay would be a lot slower shooting. I'd recommend this for like an AK or something. If you're looking for a minigun, it would be 0. If you want like an RPG, maybe 20. And yeah, that's how you make it. Hope you guys really like this tutorial. Please let me know any other tutorials you want, and have a nice day.